Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see some of the phrases which will be useful to you while talking on a phone. So we will have certain situations like हम किसी को कॉल करते हैं, किसी का कॉल रिसीव करते हैं. Sometimes our battery is low, not our mobile battery. काफ़ी situations होती है, कभी कभी हमारा network जो है वो poor रहता है. So in such situation what kind of phrases we can use? So we have to see those phrases which you can use readily, okay, and you can just talk very smartly. So the first situation, when we are making a call in some offices और उस टाइम पे सपोज कि लैंडलाइन नंबर है और हम कॉल कर रहे हैं, so we have to just ask them that may I talk to so and so. Okay, let me take one name. Throughout the video we will just use that name. Okay, may I talk to here? Okay, could I talk to here please? Can you hand over the phone to here please? Or else we can say, could you connect me to here please? Or could you put me through to here please? Okay, through to, put me through to. So these are some of the words which sounds too great. When you just talk like this, they will never ever say that no, he is not available. He will certainly just give him the receiver. और जब वो व्यक्ति जिससे आप बात करना चाहते हो उनको जब फोन दिया है वो जब आते हैं, so we have to make sure first कि वो ही इंसान नहीं है ना जिन्होंने पहले उठाया था और हम बोलने लग जाते हैं कि भाई ये वो, so ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So we have to make sure before we start talking. Okay, so हम कहेंगे कि am I speaking to Mr. Heer Bhalani? Or is that Mr. Heer Bhalani I am talking to? Or else I hope I am talking to Mr. Heer Bhalani. As soon as that person comes, you have to just introduce yourself. This is Kajal Makadia, and in the connection of today's online class, I have called you. You can just talk like this. In the connection or with the connection to. उसके बाद जो भी situation है जिसके लिए आपने किया है वो आपको वहाँ पे बोलना है. Okay, or else I have called up to inform you. I have called up to inform you. The reason I am calling you is to request you to attend the extra classes. Or you can say the reason I am calling you is to request you to be present in the meeting tomorrow. Or this is with the connection to the next project we are going to deal with. Just a quick call to get an update on our next meeting. Okay, इतना बताने के बाद हमें बोलना है कि अगर हम कॉल कर रहे हैं तो वो बिजी तो नहीं है कहीं पे, ये भी पूछना एक मैनर होता है. So we will just ask that is it the good time to speak to you or is it the right time to speak to you? Okay, good time or right time, these are the two words you can use. So we have to make sure that yes, we can go ahead with our conversation. And suppose if they are busy, so you can say that it's okay, I'll call you back. Could you please let me know the time when I can call you back? Or would you please let me know the good time to talk to you? तो ये हो गई बात जब हम कॉल करते हैं किसी को. But if someone calls us back, okay, तो हमें रिसीव करना है and we don't know, the phone number is not saved. तो हम कैसे बात करेंगे? We will say, may I know who is calling? Or you can add please to be more polite. May I know who is calling please? Or else you can say, may I know from where you are calling? Or else, can I ask with whom I am speaking to? Third situation, making call, receiving call and now placing someone on hold. किसी को होल्ड पे रखना हो तो क्या करेंगे? हाँ, हम पहले कहेंगे कि could you please hold for a moment? कब कहेंगे? क्योंकि कब किसी का सपोज कि इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल आ रहा है तो हम उसको होल्ड पे रख देंगे और उनसे बात कर लेंगे. या तो फिर कहीं बैकग्राउंड में पीछे कोई हमें बुला रहा है, कुछ अर्जेंट काम है, तो उस टाइम पे वी कैन जस्ट यूज दिस फ्रेजेस. ओके, सो वी विल से मे आई प्लेस यू ऑन होल्ड प्लीज और may I put you on hold please? Just hold on for a moment please. Next is fourth situation, when someone calls you and you are busy. ओके अगर किसी ने आपको कॉल किया और आप बिजी हो तो क्या करोगे? सो यू विल से दैट आई एम सॉरी, आई एम जस्ट इन द मिडल ऑफ मीटिंग, could I call you back this evening? You can say I am tied up with the situation, can I call you back after an hour or so please? If it is okay, can I buzz you back this afternoon? So guys, कैसे लगे आपको ये phrases? I want you to use them while you are calling or while you are receiving. Okay, I have many phrases, but I will just make another video as you might get tired watching this long video. So दूसरा वीडियो बनाऊंगी, ठीक है? So just be in touch and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.